Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. High ping can absolutely ruin your Watch Dogs Legion experience, making gameplay feel sluggish and unresponsive. But don't worry, we've got you covered with practical solutions that actually work. Step 1. Start by checking your internet connection speed and stability. Run a speed test to see if you're getting the bandwidth you need for smooth online play. Step 2. Close unnecessary background applications that might be eating up your bandwidth. Things like streaming services, downloads, and other games can really tank your ping. Step 3. Restart your router and modem to give them a fresh start and clear any connection issues. Step 4. Consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection, which is way more stable for gaming. Step 5. If you're still struggling, try adjusting your in-game network settings and selecting a server closer to your geographic location. These steps should significantly improve your ping and get you back to enjoying Watch Dogs Legion without frustration.